Hi, Reddit photo editing. I hopefully just found the group that might appreciate this free open source program that I'm trying to give away called Transparency Maker that you see here. I just watched this video of this gentleman, and I believe his name is Asan, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. And he showed how to remove a background in Photoshop, and I thought that was a really, a nice video, and I wish I was better at presenting like he is. But until I get to that point where I have a place I can do videos like that. I have a free program because I'm a poor boy and I do this as a hobby. So I work as a day job as a programmer, but all this other stuff is a hobby. So I use paint.net, which is also free. Same image here. But in Transparency Maker, it works a little differently than It works a little differently than any graphics program you've ever used. What this program does is it converts your image to a pixel information database. So wherever you click, you're going to get the RGB values, the alpha, the X and Y values, the total, which is what I find the most useful. It's just the sum of the RGB and some other attributes here I won't go into in this video. But you'll notice in this video it's not a standard white background. There's an off-white. The total changes kind of wherever you click. But the 3D blocks or little arrow blocks are much darker, so it's real simple to just say hide pixels where totals greater than 500, and voila, it'll get rid of all the white. So that's all I'm going to show in this video to keep it very short and sweet. But if you want the code is available here just to kind of show you here. If you happen to be a C# developer, it is all open source, or even if you're not, you can download Visual Studio from Microsoft, also for free, Visual Studio 2019. But in case you don't want to do all that, here is Transparency Maker, and I will kind of slow this down. I'll also post this URL in the description of the video. But I just thought I would show you this in case you find this useful. It's a free alternative. It is, it's all free, and I find it very useful, and every stock photo I buy comes with a background, so I remove, and I used to use this program in a very hard-coded ugly version, but I wrote this, and if you like it, let me know. If you don't, say thank you and throw it away. All right, have a good rest of the day. Thanks.